That's gonna leave a mark for sure.
Oh yeah. But hey, chicks dig scars, so.
I highly doubt that'll be my last crash, but I want to be more prepared for the next one. Look at my box. Kali Invader 2.0. Let's see what's inside. Now, this is the Thunder and Black.
Now that's blue.
That is very blue. There she is.
Ooh, that's nice.
Right. That black. I did think it was going to be a little bit darker, but I actually like the blue.
I thought this was going to be a little bit more blue.
You think it really was going to be more blue?
Do we just have a problem seeing the color blue?
Maybe it's our computer, but it's okay. I like this blue. This is a pretty blue.
I like mine too, by the way.
Okay. So I ended up getting a full face helmet. I had a half helmet. This one. Gyro fixture, but I needed to replace it. So I had a tree cracking here. See it flex.
Yeah.
Not a good flex. So.
But it did its job, right?
Yeah, it did its job. I was actually looking to see if Gyro had a full face helmet. They do, but it's heavier.
Why are you interested in such a lightweight helmet, though?
Well, so I want to actually wear it. I feel like if it's too heavy, I'm not going to wear it. But there's no excuse not to take it and wear this helmet. So I'm pretty excited to just kind of put it on. All right, I got to take my earrings off. This is an extra small to medium. Okay, so a wide range in theirs. I think then they also had a large to XXL. So
they're just two shells. They're just two helmet shells, which I think is what IXS does too.
Ha. All right, like that. Oh.
You know, these low angles are really flattering in general. Do you have a bruise up there?
Yeah, see? This is what this is going to help try to prevent.
Give me a little runway. Do you plan to wear those boots when you're riding? Okay, impressions.
I like how it feels. I have to do a really low pony, girls, just so you know.
It does stick down a ways. You know what?
What?
This top vent hole's so big. Would you do a rocket top pony?
Oh, guys, that's going to be something. 1, 2, 3, 13, 14, 15, 16, 27, 28, 8. So there might be 28 to 30 clicks that you get in here.
So I guess that's how you get the big adjustment range.
Yeah, seriously.
So you've got different sized cheek pads too. Look at how chunky.
That's chunky. So if you have a thinner face than I do, these go together and then those go together.
So these are marked S. So these might be the thinnest. You probably got mediums in there right now.
This is extra small though. How does that work?
Well, if your head's extra small, then this takes up extra space.
All right, yeah.
Ooh.
Just try to pop this out here. Oh, okay, pretty easy. Still afraid I'm going to break it somehow. Yeah, so these are the medium, 30 millimeters thick.
You could go thicker.
I could go thicker, yeah.
These are 40 and 50 millimeters. So you don't want to be chewing the inside of your cheeks, but you do want it to be firm kind of on your cheekbones.
Probably go for 35, but no, that's better.
Do you feel like it's squishing your cheeks? If you open your mouth all the way and then close it all the way, do you start to bite your cheeks or anything?
Minimally.
I don't know if these are different sizes or if these are just after you wear them out or want to wash a pair, you can put a new one inside.
They all look the same to me. I don't think they don't have any sizes on them. I think it's just extra. So keep all that together. We've got the owner's manual. They're based out of California.
The company's called Kali. IXS Trigger large. 656.
660.
660.
Kali Invader 2.0. 667.
There you go.
How about that?
Look at how much more material, like coverage area, is on the IXS, and the Kali's just got vents everywhere. So I wonder if they have to use heavier materials to like get the strength out of the chin bar.
Yeah.
Or maybe you can use a lighter material here that's thicker. But how it wears and your comfort level, like don't get hung up on grams, because I took the little chin strap off of here and it dropped like 5 grams. So,
that's true.
And it's on a warped board on a concrete patio. So, all right, switch this. You're supposed to be in front of the camera.
Okay.
Oh, one big thing too.
Yep, no contact.
$5.95. But a rough comparison is like, this is what you're wearing on your head.
So price points for these guys, I got this for $225. This is about $260. Not too far off, but pros about this. There's an awesome crash replacement warranty. So if you pay the shipping and when you send it in, after that, if you crash it again, 25% off. That's pretty awesome.
IXS?
IXS doesn't have a crash replacement warranty. So, I mean, that alone kind of, in my book, nudges it towards this. Kevin went with this because of the fitment.
Yeah, the old Invader did not have the ratcheting adjustment rear.
Your ratchets are pretty similar. They both have the same kind of magnetic clicking in. Neither of these have MIPS in this case. IXS, the Trigger, has a MIPS version.
This is not that.
This is not. But this one has these kind of tabs. Those little blue nubs are a layer of low density foam that is designed to help protect your head in low speed and low impact crashes.
If I was making the decision today, I don't know which one I would pick. I would have to consider the Kali even stronger.
Because of the fit.
Fit. My thing was, if it didn't feel good to wear, then I wouldn't wear it. And if I'm not wearing it, what's the point in owning it? But now, oh my gosh, your chin strap is on top of your forehead. Kali has figured out their fitment.
Yep.
And now might be a better buy. Well, now it's just wear them and hopefully never have to find out which one handles the crash better. Are you serious right now? Did that work? Turn sideways? It's like you have a mullet. Look.
That's pretty cute. I need to get my bike.
Yeah, let's go for a ride.
Because you know why?
Kids are napping. What else would you ride on? Look at that look. Oh my gosh. Cute. Hey, I'm gonna hit this drop while we're up here.
Okay. There he is. This is how we go mountain biking and on our property.
I was not prepared for that.
This is why you come back, right? If you want to see what other crazy stuff we get into, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And we'll see you later. Bye.
Mommy, I found your 6.
Good job.
Come on.
Oh, good throw.